We made it to the first ride of the season. I always think of Ice Age when I say that.
The last
No, Sid the Sloth. Yeah. The last dandelion. Oh no, is it? A dandelion must be the last one of the season. Something
I can't
like
remember,
that.
but yeah.
That's what I always think about when I say that. Obviously, Izzy is here. Fluffy is also here. Estrid is also here in the trailer. Thank you, Maeve, for getting us here. Love it when we make it with 4 shoes on Estrid and everything. We're at Crich Tramway Railway Museum, which is quite the venue, I tell you. We've not done this ride before. It looks like it'll be nice and hilly. We're doing 17 kilometres. It's quite chilly this morning actually. So we'll go get our numbers, we'll tack up, and we'll go for a ride. And I really need the loo, so we'll do that first as well. Let's go.
Lovely! Hey, Estrid! Oh,
Thanks. Do you want to tie that up? He's going to go around the other side.
hello, guys.
Try and get the hair in the bucket.
Hello?
Let's unclip you.
You okay, Estrid?
Oh, yeah. I just need to unclip you so you're ready.
Yeah, I think mine.
And grumpy girls. Right, pony's out. Let's get tacked up. Hey, Estrid. Tacked up pony. Hey, you've been very good actually. No shakes. 2 tacked up ponies. Look at that. No shakes, Estrid. Super chill. Your mane is probably the cleanest part of you. The rest of you. Yeah, the rest is not great. Right. Let's put our hats on and our numbers on. Let's get your eyelashes out. And go. Humans ready?
Almost.
Almost. Numbers are on. Ponies are ready. Humans are ready. Let's go. You're being so good, Estrid, huh? You look a bit like a donkey, actually.
Stand. Wait.
Step backwards, you fell off the step.
Good start.
Good start. Good girl. We've been working on our standing still to mount. And if she stands still, she gets a treat.
Oh, Fluffy, you don't get that.
Estrid. She's like, oh, extras. Oh, we dropped it. Let's go! We're off! The first one of the season! It's a beautiful sunny morning. Sunny but cold. Look at it! Are we lucky? It's been absolutely bucketing it down with rain the last week, so to have a day like this is perfect. I'm very proud of you, Estrid. Going straight out, super chill out. Thank you. Come on, you two. Redeem yourselves as partners of endurance rides. I'm hot already. Me too. I think I regret the whole fleece long sleeve combo. Come on, Estrid. You've got to get used to horses next to you. Yeah. Fluffy and Estrid are never an easy combo to ride together, are you? We're hoping to change that as you get more confident. You won't feed off of the ponies so much, eh? We've got these steps. I don't want to go in there. It's muddy. muddy. Good girl. Oh, this is cool. This is great training, Estrid. Nice, steep. Oh, I really need to do it with Gus. We have slid backwards.
Maybe I can do some of this.
54. Thank you. Thank you. It's nice, isn't it, Estrid? Good girl. Into the sunshine. Okay, careful with your feet here. There's lots of stones in the way. Good girl. Oh, well done. No. Come on, just because there are horses are near you. Ooh. Hello. Come on. Where are you going? Very boggy. I don't want to be in the ditch, Estrid, please. It's a big old hill. I feel like we've been climbing for about 2 miles, Estrid. Look, I'm tired. Are you tired? Ponies in the distance, just starting out. We could probably go around twice, Estrid. Not today though. It's a nice barn, isn't it? Oh, look at the pony's head popping out. Hi guys. That's cute. Oh. Oh, wait, Ben's country. I'm very proud of you, Estrid, for not squeaking at the diggers. She is definitely pretty, whether she's got brain cells, who knows. No, that's harsh, Estrid. You do have brain cells. Thank you. Hiya. Have a good ride. Thank you. We're back. We made it. Time for some breakfast. I'm really excited to go in that burger van in a minute. What do you like? You've literally known them for all of 5 minutes. Hey, you've literally known them for all of 5 minutes. Come on, let's go. Have a nice ride. Yeah. Beth, we've gone too far. Oh yeah. There you are, Maeve. We're back. Apart from where we went to, I can't remember where it was, but remember they kept dancing around? Yeah. Human. Human. Well, your fetlocks make a more normal size now. It's bloody freezing. Ponies all moderately clean. Oh, you're trying to take a picture?
Because they look cute together.
They do look cute together. Ponies are moderately clean. Estrid is fuming that we washed her with cold water. Look at her. Shivering away. Shivering away. You're so dramatic. Hey? You too. So, we did 16.5 kilometres at 8.9k an hour. 12.4 kilometres trot, 3.9 kilometres a walk. Our trot was 12.9 kilometres an hour. To put that into perspective, Estrid by herself, 15.9 her average trot speed. So average trot speed together is 12.9. Okay. Literally, these two together, it's like riding with an anchor dragging behind us. I don't know what, it's not that Fluffy's the anchor. Like, actually Fluffy was quite good today. Like, he went in front and he passed. Just Estrid won't concentrate and like won't stride out when he's behind her. And then whenever she's unsure of anything, she'll just stop. And she doesn't do that by herself or with anyone else other than Fluffy, do you? She's so annoying. So annoying. But Fluffy, you did quite well today. You're in front a fair bit. So we're going to load them up so they can munch their hay, cuties, and then we're going to go to the burger van. Yes. Should we load you? Yes. Look at you. It's not cold. You're in like pure wool rug. It's like you washed me with cold water and it's freezing. Look at her. Like, she doesn't feel cold either. She's like boiling.
Yeah.
No. Oh, you're a good pony, aren't you?
Estrid, all that drama for Fluffy.
No, you don't even seem to like him. What did you get?
I got bacon, mushroom, sausage and egg. Everything. Apart from cheese.
I'm not veggie, but I went for mushroom, egg, cheese and ketchup just because that's what I fancied. So, cheers. The first of the season. Rosettes are very nice, thank you. Now we shall finish eating our baps. What do they call it in Derbyshire? They call these the bread rolls.
A cob.
A cob, which is also a breed of horse. What would you call it?
A roll or a bat.
I think I would call it a bat from like somewhere like that, and a roll if it was having like ham or cheese in.
Yeah. They call
What
it
do
something
you
else
call
in
these bread rolls?
Scottish.
A barm? Is that north?
Don't know.
The very many things you can call a bread roll in the English language. Right. See ya.
Okay.